Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Lilienfield from Kaplan Center for Integrative Medicine. What are some of the unique treatments that we offer at Kaplan Center for Integrative Medicine? We offer Platelet Rich Plasma, which is using your own platelets that have growth factors to repair tissues, joints, hair restoration, and sexual function. And in women, that's called the O shot. We also offer exosomes, which are extracellular vesicles from stem cells that have components that are very powerful in repairing tissue, using also for skin rejuvenation, and can be used intravenously. Hormone testing, we're very adept at, and we can treat to balance your hormones with creams, gels, patches, injections, and pellets. So these are some of the diagnostic studies we can do and treatments that we have that are unique at Kaplan Center for Integrative Medicine to enhance your longevity. Thank you.